Hey everyone, welcome back to the HypeScanner. Today we're shining a spotlight on Quidax, a crypto exchange born in Africa, focused on making trading easy, local, and compliant. Founded in 2017 and officially launched in 2018 by Buchi Okoro, Uzo Awili, and Morris Ebieroma, this platform serves over 1 million users in 70+ countries. What makes it stand out? First, it's Nigeria's first SEC-licensed digital assets exchange, receiving that provisional license in August 2024 from the Nigerian SEC. That's a big trust signal. You can actually bank on it. On their homepage and app, you'll see easy options for spot trading, instant buy-sell, wallet management, and even a native token called QDX. Today I'll break down how it works, its tokenomics, roadmap, security, team, and overall vibe. Whether you're crypto curious in Africa or just love practical exchanges, this deep dive will give you the real picture. Let's go. Let's talk purpose and problem solving. Quidax exists because mainstream exchanges often ignore local currencies and regulations. They built their platform with Nigerian Naira at the core. Bank transfers, USSD, debit cards, you name it. They offer both instant buy-sell and a full order book experience, so you can click instant for ease or dive deeper with limit orders and charts. Plus, they've steadily added support for international cryptos, BTC, ETH, XRP, USDT, and more, without forgetting African needs. Their SEC license lets them collaborate with banks, adding legitimacy and opening the door for larger operations. And beyond trading, they launched Quidax Academy for free blockchain education, because crypto is as much about knowledge as finance. So the solution is clear. A trusted, locally integrated, licensed exchange that's beginner-friendly and credible. That makes Quidax a strong choice for African users fed up with clunky global platforms. Now let's dive into tokenomics, focusing on the native QDX token. As shown on their QDX page, it's built on BSC and bridged to Ethereum, with a total supply of 500 million QDX, of which 77 million are currently circulating. That's 5+ phases, covering infrastructure upgrades, token distribution, rewards, and integration. It's structured and realistic, not just hype text. We're talking cross-chain compatibility and bigger desktop mobile features. They're planning educational and community initiatives too, like raffles, airdrops, and listings, which keep excitement alive. Compared to token-only roadmaps, this shows actual product growth and layered expansion. That roadmap suggests the team knows where they're taking QDX and why it matters. Security check. Quidax integrates KYC AML compliance with tiered verification, tier 0 to 4, to match Nigerian and global standards. They use 2FA and cold storage for safeguarding crypto assets. On the token side, QDX smart contracts are on BSC and Ethereum, using audited bridges like Chainport. Though I don't see a standalone audit report yet, something to watch. Their SEC license means regulatory oversight, which indirectly supports operational security. And with plans to upgrade to Quidax 3.0 with fee discounts, new wallet integrations, and DeFi tools, they'll face more scrutiny, which is a good thing. They aren't woo-woo about decentralization. They're upfront about building within frameworks, not ignoring risk. Overall, a strong foundational trust model. Regulated, secure storage, compliance-centered, and weaving audit steps into future phases. Team and vision. Founded by Buchi Okoro, CEO, Uzo Awili, CTO, and Morris Ebieroma, CIO. All with crypto roots in Africa. It's local. It's lived experience driven. One founder built the platform after being scammed elsewhere. They emphasize solving real pain points, local fiat on-ramps, instant buy-sell, education. Partner-wise, they've teamed up with Tether to deliver blockchain education across Nigeria and Ghana, targeting 15,000 participants with workshops and literacy efforts. They've also integrated with Polygon for token listing and have banking ties through their SEC license. The vision is clear. African first, regulation first, education first. No faceless DeFi hype. This is grounded, purposeful, and built by people who know the ecosystem, not strangers shipping stuff from Silicon Valley. Time to wrap up. Quidax is not just another exchange. It's an SEC-licensed, locally rooted crypto platform in Nigeria, providing fiat on-ramps, order book trading, instant buys, education, and its own utility token, QDX. Their tokenomics include deflation via buyback and burn, user rewards, cross-chain capability, and phase-based roadmap growth. Security is built in with compliance, 2FA, cold storage, and future audits. The team is credible and experienced, and strategic partnerships with Tether and Polygon only add weight. This is not financial advice, but if you're in Africa or support inclusive crypto adoption, Quidax is worth watching and maybe even using. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any project. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.